Welcome everyone. I'm delighted to welcome you to today's presentation. My name is Assoc, Prof. Yasser M. Madany. I'm a senior member of IEEE and URSI. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of productivity applications in information technology. Over the next few slides, we'll cover key concepts, recent developments, and practical insights in this exciting field. Let's get started. Let's take a moment to look at the outline for today's presentation. Here, I'll walk you through the key points we'll cover. First, we'll start with an overview of the main concepts and objectives. Then, we'll dive into the details of each section, making sure to connect everything back to our overall theme. Throughout, I'll highlight the most important ideas to keep in mind. This outline is designed to give you a clear roadmap of where we're headed, so you know how each part fits into the bigger picture. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of the structure and what to expect from the rest of the presentation. Let's continue with the outline, focusing on the next set of key points. As we go through this, I want to emphasize how these elements build on our overall theme. First, we'll look at the main topics that are still to be covered and how they connect to the bigger picture. We'll explore any additional details or nuances that are important for a comprehensive understanding. Remember, the goal here is to see how each piece fits into the overall puzzle and supports our message. So, as we discuss these points, think about their relevance and how they reinforce what we've already discussed. This will help us appreciate the full scope of the topic and its practical implications. Let's take a moment to look at this overview slide. Here, I want to walk you through the key points that will guide our discussion today. First, we'll explore the main themes that underpin our project, making sure we understand the core objectives. Then, I'll highlight how these points connect to the bigger picture, emphasizing their importance in achieving our overall goals. This overview is designed to set the stage for what's to come, giving you a clear roadmap of the concepts we'll be diving into. By the end of this section, I hope you'll see how each piece fits into the larger story we're telling today. So, what exactly are productivity applications? Well, these are software tools designed to help us perform tasks more efficiently and effectively. They include a wide range of programs that assist with everything from creating documents and spreadsheets to managing emails and schedules. The key idea is that these applications streamline our work processes, saving us time and reducing errors. They are essential in today's digital workplace, connecting with the overall theme of how technology enhances our productivity. By understanding these tools, we can better leverage them to improve our daily workflows and achieve our goals more effortlessly. Let's talk about documents. Documents are the foundation of many processes and communications. They serve as official records, providing evidence and clarity for various decisions and actions. When we think about documents, it's important to consider their accuracy, completeness, and accessibility. Well-organized documents help ensure that everyone involved has the information they need when they need it. This ties directly into our overall theme of effective management and transparency. By managing documents properly, we can improve accountability, streamline workflows, and support informed decision-making. So, in essence, documents are more than just files. They're vital tools that keep our operations clear and credible. Let's talk about the portable document format, or PDF for short. PDFs are incredibly popular because they allow us to share documents that look the same across different devices and platforms. One of the key features of PDFs is that they preserve the formatting, fonts, images, and layout exactly as intended, which is essential for professional documents, reports, and forms. Another important aspect is that PDFs are versatile. They can contain not just text, but also images, hyperlinks, and even interactive elements like forms. This makes them useful in a wide range of applications, from business to education. Importantly, PDFs can be secured with passwords or encryption, helping us protect sensitive information. And thanks to various software tools, creating, editing, and converting PDFs has become straightforward, making them a cornerstone of digital documentation. Overall, PDFs are a fundamental format because they ensure consistency, security, and accessibility, really tying into our broader theme of effective digital communication. Let's talk about spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are a fundamental tool in data management and analysis. They allow us to organize information in rows and columns, making it easier to understand and manipulate data. One of the key strengths of spreadsheets is their flexibility. They can be used for everything from simple lists to complex financial models. With spreadsheets, you can perform calculations automatically, which saves a lot of time and reduces errors. Functions and formulas are the backbone here. They enable us to analyze data dynamically. For example, sum totals, find averages, or even run more advanced statistical functions. Another important point is how spreadsheets support data visualization. Charts and graphs can be created directly from the data, helping us see patterns and trends at a glance. This visual aspect is crucial for making our data more accessible and understandable. Finally, spreadsheets are integral to many workflows. They serve as a common language for teams to collaborate, share insights, and make informed decisions quickly. Connecting this to our overall theme, spreadsheets empower us to handle data more effectively, which is essential in today's data-driven world. Let's talk about presentations. They are a powerful way to communicate our ideas clearly and effectively. When done well, a presentation can engage your audience, highlight key points, and help convey complex information in a simple way. It's important to remember that a presentation isn't just about the slides. It's about how you deliver the message. Engaging storytelling, clear visuals, and confident delivery make a big difference. Ultimately, presentations are a crucial part of sharing our work and making an impact. So mastering this skill aligns perfectly with our overall goal of effective communication. Let's talk about email, which remains one of the most essential communication tools we use daily. It's a quick and efficient way to share information, ideas, and updates, especially in a professional setting. When crafting emails, it's important to be clear and concise so your message is easily understood. Remember to consider your tone, professional yet approachable, to foster good relationships. Also, pay attention to your subject line. It should accurately reflect the content of your email to grab the recipient's attention. Proper email etiquette, like using polite language and checking for errors before sending, helps maintain your credibility. Overall, mastering email communication is key to supporting the broader goals of effective and efficient interaction in the workplace. Let's take a look at the calendar. This slide is really about understanding the timeline and key milestones we need to hit. As you can see, it's a roadmap that guides us through the entire process. The calendar helps us stay organized and aligned with our goals. It highlights important deadlines, review points, and deliverables that are critical to keeping the project on track. Pay particular attention to the phases marked here. Each one builds on the last, ensuring we're progressing smoothly. Remember, a well-structured calendar isn't just about dates. It's about maintaining momentum and making sure everyone knows what's coming next. Connecting this to our overall theme, it emphasizes planning and coordination as essential tools for success. When we stick to this timeline, we're better positioned to meet expectations and deliver quality outcomes. Let's talk about web conferencing. This is a crucial aspect of modern communication, especially as remote work and virtual meetings become more common. Web conferencing allows us to connect with colleagues, clients, or partners regardless of their location, making collaboration more seamless and efficient. One of the key points here is the importance of reliable technology. A good web conferencing platform should offer clear audio and video quality, easy screen sharing, and interactive features like chat or polling to keep participants engaged. It's also vital to consider security. We want our meetings to be private and protected against unauthorized access, so choosing platforms with strong security measures is essential. Connecting this to our overall theme, web conferencing exemplifies how digital tools are transforming the way we communicate and work together. It's not just about convenience, it's about creating more flexible, inclusive, and productive work environments. Web conferencing is a crucial aspect of modern communication, especially as remote work continues to grow. It allows us to connect with colleagues, clients, or partners in real time, no matter where they are located. The key points here are about how it facilitates collaboration and enhances productivity. Through web conferencing, we can share presentations, demonstrate products, or simply hold meetings that would otherwise require travel or physical presence. This not only saves time and costs, but also helps maintain a seamless flow of information. It's important to remember that effective web conferencing depends on good technology, clear communication, and active participation. Connecting this to our overall theme, it highlights how digital tools are transforming the way we work and communicate in a more connected, efficient world. Let's talk about chat. Chat has become a fundamental part of how we communicate, both personally and professionally. It's not just about sending quick messages anymore. It's about real-time engagement, instant feedback, and building relationships. In the context of our overall theme, chat tools enhance collaboration and speed up decision-making processes. They break down geographical barriers, enabling teams to stay connected regardless of where they are. Understanding how to leverage chat effectively can significantly improve productivity and foster a more dynamic, responsive environment. So, mastering chat is really about embracing a more immediate and interactive way of working. Now, let's take a look at Office 365 and Google Suite, two of the most popular productivity tools used in organizations today. These platforms are essential for collaboration, communication, and overall workflow management. Office 365, offered by Microsoft, provides a comprehensive suite of applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. It's known for its robust features and tight integration with Windows environments, making it ideal for many corporate settings. On the other hand, Google Suite, now called Google Workspace, offers similar tools such as Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Gmail. Its strength lies in real-time collaboration and cloud-based accessibility, allowing teams to work simultaneously from anywhere with an internet connection. Both platforms support seamless sharing and editing, which helps teams stay synchronized and productive. Choosing between them often depends on organizational needs, existing infrastructure, and personal preferences. Understanding the features and differences of Office 365 and Google Suite is crucial, because it shapes how teams communicate and collaborate effectively in today's digital workplace. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. Thank you all for your attention. If you'd like to get in touch or have any further questions, here are my contact details. You can reach me at my email addresses, Dr. Yasser, madany@yahoo.com, or contact@madany.com, depending on your preference. You can also connect with me through my IEE email, madany@iee.org. For more information about my work or to stay updated, please visit my website at https://imadany.com. Once again, thank you very much for your time and engagement today. I look forward to staying connected and exploring future opportunities together.